I have no idea where this guy's going. You trying to go in the water or something?
No, no, he dead though. There you go, Chris.
There's another one.
Yep, he dead too. Hey, there's that tip already, dude.
That right side was way loaded though, Dragon. That right side was loaded. Yeah, they're shooting all kinds.
Oh, whoa, whoa! Don't go up
yeah,
there. Do not go up the hill.
Yep. You think we could make it across the water? Oh, watch out! Watch out! Oh, we got all kinds of people here.
He dead. I'm backing up.
No, they're coming. I don't know where. How are we gonna escape?
That's a great question.
Let's keep running along the coast. Keep running along the coast.
Let's lead them away. Just lead them away. We're gonna die, but just lead them away.
I'm running along the coast.
I'm a rebel.
I'm stuck. Oh shit! I got stuck in a rock, dude. I got stuck in a rock.
Oh. I got stuck in the water. I'm about to die though. Those slaughter fishies. He let the other one got
chasing you. He's chasing you.
He's gonna die. That's what you get for chasing me.
What a loser.
What a loser. That guy's a loser. Didn't you think that guy's a loser?
Yeah, he is.
Thank you. Me and Chris walked up the hill. There was like 50 of them up that hill.
I think we are fighting. We are at Castle Alessia. We are there.
Yeah, we're at
where's
Castle
the fuck?
Alessia.
Where's the siege? Who's here with me? Who's this right here?
Okay. Okay, let's get back into it now.
Dragon Wolf, take me to the siege master.
I am the siege master.
Holy shit.
Right here. Oh, the person's always right back here. Hi.
Alright. I want...
I gotta kill 20 night blades.
Oh. I'm going to the outpost.
Hope this ain't good.
Ben, are you in the fight right now?
Yep.
And is it looking good or bad for us?
It's kind of a stalemate right now.
Okay, I'm fine.
I'm gonna wait on y'all, just in case.
I just ran out. There's a couple of guys out. There's a couple of guys out here. Where are you at, dude? Oh, you're down here, dude.
He did no damage to it, bro.
We got blue, yellow over here.
That dude dead. you doing, buddy? Yep, he dead too. Alright, we're good.
Yeah, he's dead. I hit him with that wrecking blow.
I did a long range evasion on him.
Did you? Yeah.
Yeah. I had max range on him. So I get that long stone. Oop. I want to get on my horse, please. Horsey? Please? I'm not in combat. I don't think I'm in combat.
You guys there's a battle behind you guys.
Yeah, we were just part of it.
Yeah.
Everyone.
We just killed him. Need to make sure there's nobody ganking over here.
You scared me, Chris. I thought you meant that, like there was an army behind us coming.
There is an army behind you. Watch out.
I'm going to the keep. To the famous Castle Alessia.
Whoa, 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 yellow guy. Really? You're gonna kill some... I got two guys fucking yellow here. They killed somebody who was trying to revive. 3, 4, 5. Holy fuck. I told you there was people behind you guys. Dude, what did I just say?
Oh, you see what happened was...
What did I just say, dude? They're right there. There's like fucking 6 of them.
Oh.
They're still fucking there.
Ow. We're probably just gonna camp it for anyone that comes out trying to get over here.
Well, they're not gonna camp anymore, that's for sure. How many did we kill? We got 3, there's like fucking 4 more somewhere. There's one right there. He just went in Viz.
We don't need to go through the front door. We need to break down a wall.
Oh, shield bashing.
Somebody revived me, dude. That was awesome.
Chris found a nice guy.
Feel.
Oh, come on. Money Master, stop moving backwards and attack me.
How do I take down my trebuchet?
When it resets to shoot,
wait till it reloads.
just hit Y. It takes a little bit for it to put back up.
After you shoot it, the best thing is just back off so you don't get killed. Wait till it reloads, go up there and pack it and leave. What do we got out here? We got 2 blues out here. Who's with me?
I don't remember who's with me is.
I'm with Power Wolf. You guys are on the castle. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. You really want to go invisible and fuck with me right now? You want to fuck with me right now? Right now, bitch.
Right, yeah.
Come on, bitch. I will fuck you up. I will fuck you up. Everyone. There's like, okay, there's too many people here with me. I have to leave. I don't know if I can do that. There's way... It's only like me and one other person.
Oh no, there's not. No, there's not.
Thank you, guys.
Oh, you're welcome.
I got across that bridge and I was like, Jesus Christ, really?
Yeah, that's what they like to do. That's what they like to gang.
They're just trying to wait for people to pick people off.
People will come by and pick them off.
Well, I bought some fucking
But not
seed
today.
tokens.
I need to
I
take
got a
those
scatter
walls
shot
instead of
catapult.
Whoa. Ooh, nice dodge there, D.
I know, right?
Dodging D.
I've done pretty good learning how to dodge. Need to take this
Gotta do
wall
that,
out.
son.
Oh, there's some yellow.
Oh, he got out of range.
Ah! I'm trying to put up a catapult here.
Coming a little close. What are you two doing over here?
Where the fuck's my catapult at?
Oh, I got some dudes over here. Oh, he got fossilized. What do you got, D?
Stone trebuchet. That's my bane.
Yeah, they'll do it too.
Put up that trebuchet and bend it on it. Look at him, he loving it. He's loving that trebuchet.
Alright, so what'd you say I need to do with my thing?
Look at the Alliance War skill points. Skills.
Where's that at? Where's that at?
It's under skills.
Alright, so I go to skills.
You'll have one for offensive, well, assault and support.
Alliance War Assault.
Oh, I'm
Okay.
dead.
What
Come
do I
here.
want to
The
do?
one,
Coming back.
rapid maneuver is the one that gives you the movement speed.
Fuck, why can I not move? Oh, that dude just fucked me up.
Alright,
And if-
I got rapid maneuver now.
And if you go into support, when you get to like level 4, you can get purge. And that will get rid of the dots from like the fire trebuchets and stuff on us.
Okay.
I avenged your death.
That's pretty good
man.
too.
Thank
And I revived Bennett. No, Bennett's trebuchet got destroyed.
My
Where do I go?
trebuchet.
Where's
No, it ain't mine. It ain't mine. I thought Bennett used mine. I set one up.
Oh.
It went away.
Oops. Oh.
Where-
Dude, I bought
where's
some. I
the-
bought some.
where's
I bought
support
some
and all that
fucking
at?
catapults. Where do I get them at?
Where's the what?
Oh, okay.
Fuck.
Catapults are with the
Inventory.
same place over there. Yeah. You got to equip it first. Maybe you didn't already
Where do
have
you,
one equipped.
what's it under? Consumables.
Consumables.
Materials.
Yes. Yes. Consumables.
Oh,
All the
there it
catapults,
is.
everything.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to put them on. You gotta put them on your hot bar.
Okay.
Oh,
All right. There we go.
Watch out for that.
We're going after that big ass door, right?
We probably need to come to the.
I'm not sure. I'm not doing
side.
anything right now. I'm just waiting for someone here to, on our team to.
They're coming out the door though. He died.
I got a catapult right here. Right on that door.
Open up.
Oh, they're shooting at me. They're shooting at me. I'm gonna fucking die, dude. I cannot stand in there. That catapult is in a bad spot. I have to get it out.
Yeah, we killed a minion guard.
I fucking died? Fuck you, man.
I gotcha. I gotcha.
I got that ability where it doesn't fucking, fire doesn't do that shit to me. I might die again right when you revive me.
Hit them hills.
I put that
Got
shield
him.
on you.
God damn, dude.
There you go.
That's how some people get majority of their kills. Is that they go
Watch out, Bennett.
shit.
Damn.